Good morning, students. How are you? Fine. Myself Sukhvinder Kaur from DIP Standard. Today we will do the back exercises of the chapter Passive Voice. Let's begin with the exercise 4. Complete the sentences using the words given in brackets so that the second sentence has a similar meaning to the first sentence. Write between 2 and 5 words. A part. Will they send this letter? Letters first class. Answer. Will they be sent the letters? First class. B part. I am not sure if they eat pizza in China. Answer is I am not sure if pizza is eaten by them in China. C part. Someone told me that they don't make cars in the UK anymore. Answer is someone told me that cars are not made by them in the UK anymore. D part. Do they usually feed the animals 3 times a day? Answer is are the animals usually fed by them 3 times a day? E part. Mr. Bahaduri is ill, so he won't give us a geography test today. Answer is Mr. Bahaduri is ill, so we will not be given by him a geography test today. F part. Did they take her to hospital in an ambulance? Answer. Was she taken by them to hospital in an ambulance? Exercise 6. Complete these sentences using the present perfect passive forms of the verbs given in brackets. Use contractions where necessary. Students, when we use present perfect tense, perfect passive forms, then we use auxiliary verb has been, have been, along with the third form of the verb and the, if necessary, the preposition by. Now let's start. A. This room has already been cleaned. B part. Dinner has been laid in the Reynolds room of the club. C part. The names of the undisciplined students have been stricken off the rolls. D part. He has already been given the highest civilian honor of this country. E part. A state of emergency has been declared in the city of Baku. F part. Has the convict been given a fair chance to defend himself? G. Women in our country still have not been gotten enough freedom and respect. H part. Have not been the election results declared yet. Exercise 7. Change the following sentences into the present perfect passive form. A part. The city municipality has issued a red alert for dengue. Answer is a red alert has been issued by the city municipality for dengue. B part. Northern Railways has shut railway traffic on the Banaras Lucknow route for emergency repairs. Answer is railway traffic on the Banaras Lucknow route has been shut by the Northern Railways for emergency repairs. C. The airport authority has cancelled flights following a bomb threat. Answer is flights have been cancelled by the airport authority following a bomb threat. D part. The National Board has declared results for matriculation exam. Answer is results have been declared by the National Board for matriculation exam. E. The examining body, after a lot of deliberations, has awarded Amit his PhD. Answer is Amit has been awarded his PhD by the examining body after a lot of deliberations. F. The doctors declared that the man is dead. Answer is the man has been declared dead by the doctors. Students, with this the passive voice chapter is completed and have a nice day. Goodbye.